Hey guys, we received this swim cap for test and try. These are for any purpose use, like a man, woman, or adult, and any size fits all. So this is a high stretch fabric swim cap, or the Lycra swimming caps. So these are not waterproof material, but this helpful in as a swimming cap to protect your stuff. So it's a soft material. So because this is not like a waterproof material, so this will not stick to your hair or things, and it's easy to wear and take it out. It's a quick drying and breathable fabric. So that's very helpful, soft and close, easy to put on, and is very helpful. It's around 9.3 inches in length and 6.3 inches in height. So one size fits all fabric material and easy to just put on your head. So with this nylon, as it is not nylon and not waterproof, so this will not stick to your hair and then easy to put like this way. So it's not that uncomfortable feel you will have, and then you can just put it in a way you want.